Well, I actually started in architecture and design, and I had 4 kids, and they were all very little. And I started taking Masters of Art classes at University of Indianapolis, and I loved painting. And I did traditional oil portraits, and I painted with my kids, and I really started getting into art. And I thought, how cool would it be if I started a business where I could teach kids how to draw and how to paint and share that love with them. So it really, it's one of those things that it really just kind of started itself. As I was painting and my kids were around and they would draw and they would paint when I was drawing and painting, and I started making that connection, like, this is really cool, and this could be something that I could do from my home, that I could do working in the little snippets of time as, being a mom of 4 kids, in my husband's schedule. I didn't mean to start it, but it has been the best thing for someone who is as passionate about art as I am, but has 4 kids at home. And, to bring my love of art to all the kids in our community. When you break it down step by step, you can paint anything.
We moved to Indiana because of my husband's work, not because of mine. And I think, and my kids are much younger than me.
Yeah, mine are in high school,
Mine are much younger. So
it's probably even harder for you with the little ones running around.
Right. We just got out of diapers. That's I just really wanted, more than anything, I just wanted to bring something to kids that I didn't get when I was their age.
Yeah.
Funny thing is I just became obsessed with this idea of teaching, which is nothing. I majored in illustration and minored in graphic design. Teaching was not on my radar because I was like, I don't want to go work at a school. But then I thought, well, maybe I could just do something smaller because working at school is so demanding. I was just literally looking for a way to teach without having to be a teacher and be in a school and be in a formal setting that they dictated my schedule.
Yes, exactly.
And that's how I found you. And no joke, guys, I showed up at her doorstep.
Yeah, with a resume.
With a resume. Like,
but I love that. See, and that's the thing. It was like, this girl.
Yep.
This girl comes to my, studio. She has her resume in hand, and says, I am Jessica, and I'd really like to teach with you. And I would, and then I think I gave you your first class. Like, I was like, hey, where do you want to go? Let's find you a school.
And I just remember being like, after I met you, like, I literally got home and I talked to my husband. I was like, this is good.
We break it down for these kids.
Step by step, easy tutorials. We want to make it as simple as possible so that way you don't have to have an art degree to understand. We want this channel to be a place where everyone can come, that they can encourage each other, they can help each other grow, and that at the end of the day, you begin your artistry, but we give you the tools so you can continue.
The more you draw and the more you paint, the more you put that pencil to paper, the more comfortable you're going to get with doing it on your own. You guys can follow along. I mean, that's the thing. It's like, it's great that we offer these classes here locally where we're at. But it's even better that we can bring them to everybody. For some kids, it's a lot easier for those perfectionists too. Like they're like, oh, wait, I didn't get that, pause, and then they're going to go back. And so it is really nice to watch it in this format. Opposed to teaching it.
And you get the opportunity to kind of discover yourself along the way. Like, it's not so much like Whereas with the classes, that's
edit that out?
No,
That's Mumford.
that's Mumford.
The reason why I wanted to start this channel, or we wanted to start this channel, is that we wanted to not only bring our artwork to you through tutorials, how-to videos, but we also want to inspire you to create your own art and be inspired by the art that is meaningful to us. So there are a lot of things that we want to do that aren't just painting on canvas, aren't just how to draw a unicorn. Like, we want to expose you to those things that are inspiring us in our own artwork that we do that is not necessarily the canvas. We want it to be a conversation. So if you have comments, or you want us to review a product, or if you have suggestions or something you would like to see, we would love to hear from you. It's not just us doing tutorials. It's not just us saying follow this, draw this, do what we do. We want this to be interactive. So yeah, we're going to do the tutorials, but we want to hear from you, and we want to inspire you, and we want to see what you guys are working on.
Yeah, this channel is for you.
We're going to make art easy and accessible, and hopefully you will have fun learning right alongside with us and being inspired by us and by what we do and what we learn and who we follow.
We want to support you guys. We want to support you as the viewers and help you along in any way that we can. We want this to be an amazing artistic adventure. So if you like what you've seen here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and start commenting, start asking us questions, start making suggestions. We are a young channel, so give us everything that you guys want to see, because that's what we're here for. We are here to help you on your journey, and we just hope you join us for this big adventure.
Yep.